Hello and welcome to AI Basics. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can invite your friends and earn coins on Crushon AI. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open any browser on your PC. Then go to Crushon AI and log into your account. Then you can see the bonus over here. Just go ahead and tap on bonus. Now you can scroll a bit down and then find invite friends. Invite your new friends to fill in your code within 24 hours of registration. There is also a notice: new users can only use one invitation code and the invitation code can invite up to 10 new users. So just go ahead and copy this code. You can see the code has been copied and you can go ahead and send this code to your friends. After 10 people join because of your code, you will get 100 plus coins. And you can also enter the invitation code over here. So if other friend has sent you an invitation code, just go ahead and enter the invitation code over here and click claim and you will get 100 coins as well. So there are two things: the invitation code, you can write down others' invitation code, and you can invite others and you can send your invitation code to others. If 10 people successfully join using your invitation code, you will get 100 coins. So guys, this is how you invite your friends and earn coins on Crushon AI. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.